how to purchase Bitcoin using Coinbase. Now you need to have funds in your Coinbase account before you can purchase Bitcoin, so do watch my other video if you don't know how to add funds, but assuming you've now got funds added into your account, all you need to do is click on the blue trade button. That brings open this window here to confirm what it is you're wishing to purchase. So we are buying Bitcoin. We're going to pay with the funds from our GBP wallet, so the money that's already in our Coinbase account. So I'm going to purchase £10 worth of Bitcoin here, and it's going to give us a preview. And here we go, it's preview buy, so we can just check the details first of all. And we can see here that our £10 will currently purchase us 0.00119273 Bitcoin at the current exchange rate. There's just a 10 pence transaction fee there, so we're actually going to get £9.90 of Bitcoin. So we just click on the buy now button. And there we go, the order was submitted, and we'll send you an email when your order status updates, and that's generally within just a few seconds. So we click done, and then if we go back to our portfolio, then we can see down here that we do indeed now have that extra £10 worth of Bitcoin available in our account.